Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope to find the perfect one for your Ryanair bookings and travel. We've got just 3 minutes, so let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Ryanair travelers? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your payment info and personal details stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch that instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get exposed while booking flights on Ryanair. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which sites you browse or flights you check. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Ryanair users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Ryanair thanks to its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data gets wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy when booking trips. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could trick you with fake ticket offers or phishing scams, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with family or friends for trip planning. The one small downside, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can keep your phone, laptop, and tablet all protected while managing Ryanair bookings. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any privacy-conscious traveler can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce, it owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They control all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you when browsing Ryanair deals. And for travelers needing the best speeds, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for a potentially faster connection. This can help route your traffic for quicker loading times. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that speed boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Ryanair? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means faster page loads and smoother browsing during flight searches. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but tests show its performance can vary, with slower times depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed is your top priority. You want no delays booking Ryanair flights or checking deals, plus the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of gadgets or share your subscription with family. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you care deeply about privacy or are on a budget. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using for Ryanair bookings. See you soon.